How could you fix the iPad restart loop? So let me talk about it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely become part of our community so you do not miss videos like this one. Anyways, your iPad might be stuck on restarting itself over and over, and in that case, you can kind of like intersect into this. So what you're going to do is to perform a forced restart. Like instead of waiting for the iPad to finish the booting or whatever is going on the screen, try pressing the volume up, volume down, and then holding down on the power button. You perform this gesture in a succession, and it just means that it's gonna restart the software and try to boot up the iPad again, and it kind of like having a fresh start, sort of. So a lot of times this gets the job done, and the iPad should be turned on normally. But if not, you can then connect your iPad to a computer, see if anything happens, or if you can access it through apps like iTunes or through the Finder of Mac, which should give you some access to it. But if not, then again, perform the very same gesture of force restart, where you press the volume up, volume down, and hold it down on the power button. But then you just keep on holding for even longer. So even when the Apple logo shows up, you can keep on holding on the button, and it might be in the recovery mode, that's how it's called, and then you have more controls over the iPad from the computer. So as long as it's connected through the cable, you will have the ability to restore the iPad, or for example, update it to the latest iPad OS and make it go to a fresh start, or completely reset it. So you have like a different set of controls since you already are connected to the computer, to Mac, or whatever else. So I hope it makes sense. I just wanted to guide you through the way it could potentially get it to work. I would really love to hear your feedback below. For now, that's it, and I'm gonna see you in the next tutorials as well.